Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will make very good profit in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. I hope you will learn something from this video. Here I am applying the trade according to my risk. Here I already know what my loss is going to be so that I can keep my psychology strong. See you guys after applying all the trades.
Forget about love. Why be together right now?
Guys, I have deposited $3,300 in this account. Let's see how much we can grow this account. Right now we are incurring a loss of around $200. We will follow the proper trading process here. Now I understand you why I placed the buying trade here. The market always moves according to its nature. Here the market has been moving in an uptrend for some time now. Let me now explain through technical analysis what the market position is. For this I am first taking Trendline. The market is moving upwards, taking proper support on this trendline. These support points will connect well with the trendline. Because this is our important trendline, all further analysis will be based on this trendline. Connect the second trendline with same angle at higher high points. This trendline is acting as resistance. Whenever the market has come near this trendline, it has always reversed downwards, so our trendline is working as a down reversal. Right now the market is following this trend channel very well, due to which we will easily see the perfect higher high higher low points in this trend channel. Now we will draw strong support resistance level. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. At this level you can see that the market first took resistance and later broke it and formed support, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. Whenever the market draws such a pattern, then high probability signals for buying trade are generated. Now the market can follow this level of ours. Now our technical analysis work is complete. Now we place stop loss and target point. My stop loss will be below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel, which is 15 pip down. If a trendline breakout happens here, then a very good selling opportunity can be created here, and the target point will be 30 pip up. Here I am following the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. With this we can earn good profit. Our target level is at the perfect place. Guys, our loss here has been converted into profit, which is running around $400. We will grow it even more. I will quickly place the stop loss and target point. Guys, now we will wait patiently for our profit target. We will not close our trade in between until the market hits this target. Our analysis here has been in the right direction. The chances of our trade winning are very high. Always keep your target bigger than your loss, only then you will be profitable at the end of the month. You should always follow the risk to reward ratio of 1:2 so that you will get good results. Guys, you will get it after some time. Till then you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wow guys, nice move. The market moved exactly as we had expected from the market. Here our prediction was absolutely correct. We had done the analysis in the right direction and we got very good results. Always stick to your setup, because every person has his own setup, because the nature of psychology of every person is different, which can never be copied. I always follow my setup in trading, which you can see in the channel playlist. I have traded repeatedly on the same setup. My target level was here, which was hit just a while ago. The market is moving down. As soon as it hits our target level, here we should book profit quickly. Now I will tell you by drawing the next reversal level which the market will respect. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market is creating multiple resistance points at this level, as whenever the market comes near this level we get to see a downward reversal. This is a strong resistance level of the market. If the market breaks this strong level, then we can see a resistance become support pattern here again. If this does not happen, then the market will reverse downwards from here. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close this open trade. Guys, right now we are making a very good profit of $5,500. We had deposited $3,300 in this account, which has now grown to $9,000. Here we had to wait patiently for a long time to make this profit. Patience and strong psychology are always required to achieve the target in the market, which can only be increased through practice. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
like this.